So we've just arrived at the Kogelberg Nature Reserve. It's another one of Cape Nature's reserves. We've been here before, about a year and a half ago, and I've been wanting to come back since then. It's like one of my favorite places to come to. So I'm quite happy to be here. I can't wait to swim. The water here is next level. The pool is naturally filtered and the river water is also, I forgot to mention that the views are actually one of my favorite things about this place. I mean, come on. So we decided not to swim because the water is looking quite dark. We can't see anything, and it looks like there's so much like algae growing on the steps, on the floor and everything. I don't know, I'm not sure about the condition of this pool. Are you gonna jump in?
Just a little bit skeptical.
How dare you? Do it for the tube. So we are walking the Palmit River Trail. It starts sort of just outside of our cabins and it runs parallel to the river essentially. So it's mostly a flat walk, and we are walking to an area on this trail called the beach. So we'll show you what that's all about soon. yeah, so this is the beach. Previously we've been here and the weather was really good. It was super warm. We jumped straight into this water and it was fantastic. And I really wanted the same today or on this trip anytime, but the weather's not doing us any good. It's so cloudy, the sun's not coming out at all, the water's super cold. We're not ready for that. We don't want to be freezing.